Hey my YouTube boos, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this blonde wig and installed it with bold hold lace products. So of course, I'm going to be using my Flawless Fly hair extensions in the 613 body wave bundles. So I kind of sped through the making of the wig because I already have detailed videos of me making my wigs on camera. So usually I just start by sewing my frontal down first. And you just want to make sure your stitching is nice and tight. I usually start on the right side and then work my way over to the left side. Now when I'm sewing my tracks on, I usually do the fold over method because I found out when you're cutting the tracks as you're working your way up, the hair sheds more. So I don't start cutting the tracks until I get toward the top. So the tracks are laying flat and my wig is not looking lumpy and bumpy. I did tone this hair off camera, so I will leave that video in the description bar down below. So this time I got my girl again, Audrey D, to install this wig on me because I never used like a adhesive glue to do a wig before. So I wanted her to show me how to do it so I made sure I did not mess anything up. So we are going to start off by using the Got To Be glue, and we are going to just freeze spray this stocking cap on my head and put it in place so it does not move while the wig is on my head. And it also acts as a protective barrier as well. So now we're just going to take some cool air and just blow dry just to make sure that it stays on and intact. And now we're just going to cut my ears out of the sides of the cap, and also we are going to go in and start cutting off the extra cap that does not need to be there. So now we just want to go in and apply our wig to our head and just make sure that it's in the right place, that it's not down too far, back too far, and just make sure that it is fitting perfectly. So I'm just going to take this Walker Scalp Protected and apply it to the skin where you will actually be putting the adhesive on your skin just to protect your skin. So now that we're all dry, we are ready to apply the Hair Diagram Bold Hold Extreme Cream. So I think we applied like 3 layers on here. The more layers, the better the hold. So we applied the first layer and we dried it, and then we went back in and applied the second layer, and then dried it, and then applied the third layer and dried it. And this stuff worked so good. Like my wig stayed on like a whole week and a half, and I did not have any problems like with it slipping or with it moving back. So this is actually a great product, but I don't like sleeping in my wig, so it was kind of different. I also worked out with my wig on as well, and what I did is I just put like a little scarf around my edges, and like after you stop sweating and after you stop working out, the wig kind of tacks back down. So we did on the sides of like where my sideburns are, we did not apply any hair diagram bold hole right there. We took some got to be glue and just applied that right there, and the wig still stayed intact. So we don't want to apply the hair diagram on the actual hair because it will pull the hair out. So you just want to just be careful. Now we're just creating some baby hairs and about to slay and lay these edges, honey. So now we're going to just apply, I like to call these like a little Hollywood wave curl. So we're going to take this Conair barrel curler. You can get this at Target and just go in and apply some curls. Now we are all installed and ready to slay, honey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see me make more wigs on my channel, let me know down in the comment section below. I will also leave all the products that we use down in the description bar below. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.